Hello everyone, my name is Jarrod Woodland, the Low Slope Product Manager for SFS in North America. And today we're going to be going over an informational series to describe to you the Isoweld 3000 tool system. And we're going to start that series out with how to put your tool together. Now in setting up your new Isoweld 3000 tool, there are 3 points that you need to focus on while putting this tool together. 2 of them are on the handle, these 2 fastening points. So insert the handle like so and tighten that connection. Also, make sure that this connection is snug as well. Now that those 2 connections are fit, we're going to focus on the third most important thing about setting your tool up, where the inductor plugs in. For this instance, we're going to be using the Stand-Up Tools inductor, but it's where you would put your handheld inductor if you have that option. So you want to plug that in. Make sure it's tight. Clip it. And now that your tool's been set up, we'll move on to show you how to calibrate the tool and operate it correctly.